Hi, I'm Kevin Poole, and I am just a regular guy. I have been in sales and sales management across the country for a long time, and have eaten at a lot of great places. I've stayed at a lot of really nice hotels where I've learned a lot about cooking by watching the chefs there. It's been a lot of fun. That's one place that I learned how to make omelets. The way that I do is watching the chef at the Marriott's prepare their omelets. So that was kind of fun. So my friend in Oregon and I had reconnected after many years. We went to high school together in Southern California and kind of lost contact for all these years, which was very unfortunate. But thanks to the magic of social media, we found each other, started talking, and he cracks me up. And we started with this kind of egg competition. And I told him, I said, dude, nobody makes better eggs than me. And he said, yeah. He goes, well, I'll show you mine. So he showed me his creations, and then I made some eggs and showed him my creations. And so he told me I was the king. And so we would get into these things where we'd prepare food, and he'd send me a video or a picture, and I'd send him a video or a picture. And it was just kind of fun reconnecting and going through our creations, our food creations. So he says to me the other day, dude, you need to be on a TV station. You need to start your own podcast or something. It's like, I have zero talent for that. And I'm just a regular guy. I just like to cook. I have a lot of fun with it. So anyway, he was the kind of the impetus for this. He told me I should start my own podcast or something like that. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to do it. It'll be fun. So my goal with this is there's a lot of guys out there that just don't really cook at all. They eat on the road, they go out and eat, they travel. And I've met a handful of women that don't really get into cooking too much. So most of the things that I make are pretty basic. So my wife's an amazing cook. It's ridiculous. So she could actually have her own food show on TV. I tell her she could beat Bobby Flay any day of the week. But my whole goal with putting this together is to have fun, take my buddy up on his advice, and also for those guys that don't really get around the kitchen that good and don't really cook, to show them some of my creations that are super easy to make, a lot of fun to make, they taste good, and I'm going to keep adding to this. So that's kind of my strong point is, you know, you'll watch these cooking shows on TV and they'll say, okay, you got 20 minutes. Your ingredients are alligator eyeballs, rooster butthole, and the head of a cricket, and some Skittles. Oh yeah, and some Frosted Flakes. And you're supposed to make like this chef creation out of this. And it's like, that's not reality, man. So I'm looking more like reality, you know, a burger and whatever twist I have on a burger, or, you know, a club sandwich, or one of my favorites I'm going to cook up here pretty soon. I eat it for lunch every now and then, is a BLT with egg on it, mayonnaise, and just kind of take a little bit of twist on the BLT and put an egg on it with the mayonnaise. It just is, it's absolutely fantastic. So anyway, that's just a little bit of why and how this all started. I hope it grows. I hope you enjoy it. After watching this, if you could tell others about it, and if you could click the subscribe button down below and leave a comment, I'd greatly appreciate it. And I have a few videos up right now. Just started this project, and I'm going to keep on cooking and keep on adding videos. Peace.